everybody! So Hammy smells something yummy. We will share today something delectable. It's good for breakfast, snacks, dessert, and even midnight binge. So hope you like it. I'm gonna talk about it in a few. Say hi everyone! Hi! Hi everybody, hope you're all well and safe. Today I'll be sharing some great finds, especially when you're in Manila. It's definitely a must try. It's an heirloom recipe from one of my friends and it's been in their family for almost a century. It's also one of my favorite pastry because it's really good, it's delish, and it's not too sweet. So I always crave for this, and they bake this fresh daily. So it's the bread pudding from the bistro. You can check them out on Facebook and Instagram, and you can like their page as well and follow their page. It's really, really good. So delish. Look, this is freshly baked. I just got this like 5 minutes ago, and I'm so excited. It's good with coffee or tea or even wine at night. It's my guilty pleasure. It's really yummy, guys. You should taste it. Try it now. Sobrang sarap, as in. Super, super. Guys, super highly recommended. Try it now. Again, it's from dbistro.ph. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching, everybody. So we hope you like the quick video, and we hope you order from Tita Che from the bistro. It's really, really yummy, and it's freshly baked every day. So hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Fab for Mom. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay fabulous.